331 Storm Tracker meteorologist Carson Meredith with 31 Triple Dollar.
So glad we're not seeing anything like that,
Yeah.
but still, we do have a little bump in the road today, a potential bump.
Yeah, it's that typical summer bumpiness in the weather world, if you will. Hot, humid, and pop-up storms. Let's go to the Skycam network this morning, where we are tracking a quiet start to the day. That may not last too much longer, though. We got temperatures in the mid-70s. You head out the door. Big reason why it is so much warmer this morning when you just look at these actual temperatures is we had a lot of cloud cover last night that held tough. Remember, clouds at night, they act as a blanket to keep us warmer. So it's 74 in Huntsville, also 74 in the Shoals, 72 this morning in Guntersville, and it's 73 in Decatur. But it's obviously a lot more humid as well. 31 triple Doppler for the time being is quiet, but let's zoom things out just a little bit. A fairly active picture across the southeastern U.S. I'm watching two particular areas, one of which is just to our south in central Mississippi, even moving into central Alabama. Very slow-moving storms causing some flash flooding closer to the state line, but also this particular cluster of storms near Little Rock, Arkansas. Now, neither of these systems are going to cause direct impacts, if you will, but they're going to leave behind boundaries in the atmosphere, and wherever those boundaries land today will be the main focus for more storms that pop up, especially this afternoon. Now, it's not a washout today. Don't cancel any outdoor plans. Just keep an eye on the skies. It's a 30% chance for those showers and storms from about lunchtime through the early afternoon. Otherwise, the temperature is fairly typical for mid-July. Your forecast is 91, but it could feel as hot as 102 when you factor in that humidity. Stay hydrated. Now, for this weekend, storm chances holding steady at 60% for Saturday. I'm not ready to call Saturday a washout yet, but if you got any outdoor plans, start thinking about places to go inside with those higher storm chances on Saturday. Sunday, though, is trending drier. It's a 30% chance for now, but I'm optimistic we'll be able to continue dropping those rain chances for Sunday. Regardless of the day, it is going to be hot. Highs in the low 90s with those feels like temperatures still in the lower triple digits. So today, tomorrow, and Saturday really are the highest rain chances we have. And on any given day, any given storm will have heavy rain. Could cause some potting on the roads, of course, but some of those stronger storms, especially each afternoon, today through Saturday, will have gusty winds upwards of 50, maybe 60 miles per hour, and some hailstones around nickel to penny size. Can't be entirely ruled out, but the main concerns are heavy rain and gusty winds. Here's noon today on Future Radar. This forecast model keeps us dry for the most part, but given just how warm and soupy it is, we're going to have a few pop-up storms today. So just keep an eye on the skies, especially through the early afternoon. Any storms that are around will begin to fade later on tonight. It looks pretty quiet when you wake up on Friday morning, but tomorrow afternoon, those storm chances are a little bit higher. We'll see those storms develop in Mississippi around noon tomorrow, and those storms will push into our neck of the woods as early as 3 or 4 o'clock Friday afternoon. Looking ahead to next week, the rain chances go down and the heat is on. Basically, a heat dome sets up over the southern U.S. It's anchored over Texas and Oklahoma. For us here at home, that means high temperatures in the mid to upper 90s, and that heat index could be in dangerous territory next week. You start to see that heat wave next Wednesday, 95. Then we go to 96 Thursday, staying in the mid 90s through Friday of next week. But that might be a little cool. We'll have to keep a close eye on high temperatures, maybe getting closer to 100 about a week from now.